Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of my fantastic videos. Today, I'm going to be showing you something new that I got. You guys have already seen it in the title, but yeah, pretty exciting. Let's get it. So yeah, I got a new camera. I bought it off of eBay auctions, which is a little freaky, but I'm going to show you guys what I got, how much I paid for it, and my first impressions of the gear that I got. So let's do it. Okay, here we are. Here is the box it came in, and this I think, or this is the camera, and yeah, let's see what we got. Of course, bubble wrap. Good thing they packaged it properly. Power cord. And battery. Very nice. Actually, doesn't look half bad. Looks to be in pretty good condition. Got the charger by Canon. Wow. Then, last but not least, the camera. That looks pretty good. Oh, missing the badge. That looks pretty good. Not bad. So for all of this gear, which included the camera, charger, battery, and cable, was I think around 90 bucks, which is a really good deal. And this is the Canon. Can't see it because, well, the badge is not there anymore, but it is the Canon EOS T3I. Really good camera, good for beginners. Dirty. But it has the flip screen, which is really handy, say you want to do vlogging or do whatever. And yeah, let's move on to the second package. Now you can't have a camera without a lens, and this is it. Got this one for a really good deal from eBay auctions. Looks pretty good. Everything moves freely. Now this is a 35 to 80 millimeter. Let's see, f4 to f5.6 Canon zoom lens, EF, because EF camera, EF lens mount, and enough said that there. That is my new gear. Really excited because yeah, I'll be able to make way better videos, even though my phone, which I'm using now, has a fairly decent camera. But it's always nice to have more professional looking gear, all the fancy buttons and whatnot, than a fancy zoom lens, which it does have the automatic focus, but I would not recommend using that because from what I heard, it's not very good on these. So yeah, let's switch to a demo. Let's see what it looks like. So here is the camera. This is using the internal microphone, so it's not the best. I will be getting a microphone for the camera in the future, but it looks pretty decent. You know, it's not bad, especially because I got this thing for like 90 bucks on eBay auctions. Got the lens for 15 on eBay auctions, and it's pretty good. Very capable camera. Yeah, it's easy to learn. You know, first time using it, and you know, it doesn't look half bad. Yeah, I would recommend this camera to anyone who wants to get one. And yeah, I'm going to be doing, you know, future videos here in the garage. Forgot to mention this in the beginning, but I am in my garage right now where I'm going to be doing majority of my videos. Yeah, so to recap, good camera. I'd recommend getting it. Most of them usually go around, you know, 150, 200 bucks for just the body, and however much the lens is, whichever one you want to get. But it is a very capable, easy beginner camera. I'm excited to use it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Look forward to making better videos. And yeah, it's a pretty good camera. See ya.